On National Sports Day, Meghalaya Governor C.H. Shankar addressed NCC cadets at the Rhino Auditorium, Shillong, emphasizing the need for physical fitness and the role of the NCC in disaster management. The governor praised the NCC for its 76 years of service and stressed that the cadets' preparedness in times of crisis is crucial for saving lives and rebuilding communities. He highlighted the importance of disaster management, not just for immediate relief, but for providing hope and ensuring safety in the aftermath of natural calamities.
For the past 76 years, the National Cadet Corps has been an inspiration of the selfless service, shaping the youth of our nation into disciplined, responsible and patriotic citizens. One of the critical areas where your training, we believe, invaluable in the disaster management. Meghalaya, with its unique topography, is prone to natural calamities like floods, landslides and earthquakes. Your ability to respond quickly in times of crisis will not only to save their lives, but it will also reinforce the trust and confidence that the community places in NCC.
Principal of Minken Christian High